Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add your payment methods, how you can manage your payment methods on the Temu website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the Temu and then we have to create our account. And after the account creation, as you can see, you will be able to see the your payments method option here. You can also get this option from here. We have to click on this icon. As you can see, you will get the payment method options here. So we have to click on that. So now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this your payment methods option here. So we have to click on this and then we need to add our payment method details. So as you can see, it has an option for the add a card or the debit card. If you want to add your credit card, you can also do that. If you want to add your debit card, you can also do that. As you can see now, the simple is you have to provide your card number, expiry date, and the year and the CV code, and then you have to click on the add your card, and the card will be added. So in this way, you can add your card details on the payment method on your TeamU website. You can add any kind of card detail. You can add your credit card. You can add your debit card. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can add those all here. So see you guys in the next video.